What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube? And welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a real treat as we talk about one of my top companies, Bad Dog Beard Co., the Peppermint Rosemary scent. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Like I said before, we're in for a treat because we're going to be reviewing one of my top favorite companies, Bad Dogs Beard Co. and the Peppermint Rosemary scent. And this is going to be my second review for Bad Dogs. And before we get into that, let me just say this. Happy No Shave November. Welcome to all the new beardsmen out there that just started growing because November started. I encourage you to go past November and keep it growing and stay bearded. And also, I didn't forget about you, my subscribers, my followers, my friends, and everyone that's checking out the videos. Welcome back. So, I'd like to thank you guys for all the support and all the kind words and the friendships I have gained with everything through the companies, through the reviews, through Instagram, and everyone. I appreciate everything you guys say and everything you guys do. I appreciate you guys watching it, and I really don't know how else to say it than I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it, guys. Just remember, happy No Shave November and stay bearded. So, let's get into this review. Like I said, this is my second review for Bad Dogs. And if you haven't seen the first one, I'm going to try to link it somewhere in the description or at the end of the video. Still trying to work out how YouTube lets me do it, put it here or here. I think it's toward the end of the video. I'll figure that out and check that one out. So, like I said, we're talking about Peppermint Rosemary. Jeff is the owner of Bad Dogs. And if you haven't seen my first video on him, on his company, Jeff is one of my favorite owners from one of my favorite companies. He is one of the greatest guys out there. And not to mention, he's from Maine, which is New England. New England in the house. He's a Boston sports fan. Hey, Jeff, how about them Sox, brother? Sox just won the World Series if you've been under a rock or something. And if you haven't been following my Instagram, follow it. Beard Talk with Matt, same as my YouTube. I'm going to put it right here. So now that all the plugs and everything are out of the way, let's get back to this review. So, like I said, Jeff is the owner, a great guy. He cares about the customers, cares about his products, how the products make you feel, and just overall, he generally cares about every person that he talks to and that he has encounters with. And that's what I love about him and I love about his company. Jeff, thank you, brother. So, Peppermint Rosemary, and let me just get to this. I really love this scent. I love the smell of this. If you watch any of my other videos, I like peppermint scents, and they're one of my favorite scents. And this is one of my favorite peppermint scents. No joke. Peppermint rosemary, you're probably like, what kind of combination is that? Well, you get the sweetness and when you you clear your nostrils from the peppermint, but it's not like you're like Vicks, like that kind of smell. It just gives you a nice soothing smell as you're smelling in that peppermint. And with the rosemary, I'd say it's more of like a calm, earthy smell. Maybe like peppermint with a bite, kind of. I think Beard Times with Scott said that, peppermint with a bite, I think he said when I watched his review on this. That's a great way to describe it. It's kind of just got that peppermint and then the little bite from the rosemary. It's not your ordinary peppermint, and that's what makes this very unique and very awesome. So, like all his labels on there, which are absolutely amazing, you can see how it is around there. It's basically candy canes, like peppermint candy canes around there. This is a good, with the holidays coming up, a Christmas time scent, I would say. I mean, you're going to have your limited edition Christmas scents from other companies, but this is a year-round Christmas scent, if you ask me. This is something I wear at least once a week, pretty much. I don't have the bomb, but I need to get it. So, like I was showing you, you got the candy canes around there. That's what I like about his labels. They feature anything that the scent has to do with. Like his Havana Reserve had like the tobacco around it and stuff. I really like that. The labels are great. He has his Instagram right there, his Facebook, and his YouTube. They're all Bad Dogs Beards, so go follow him there. He makes great YouTube videos as well, like how-tos and stuff. So he has his directions on here. I like when they have directions, especially with No Shave November. There's a lot of people that don't know what to do, and they're trying to watch videos or trying to read products or trying to just see, what is it I need to do? And how much I need to put in my beard and what I need to put in my beard so I can get rid of that November early itch. And this is something that you need for your beard. So, all his ingredients are pretty much the same for carriers. Argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and the essential oils, they're all 100% natural. And that's the peppermint and rosemary. I really love this. I really do. The price for this, which is a 1 ounce oil, which is 10 bucks. And if you get the balm, which I don't have, it's $12.99. And if you get the both of them, it's $21.99. That's a great deal for a 1 ounce oil and a 2 ounce balm. That's a great, fantastic price. I really like Jeff's price points. So this is the second oil that I have from him. They're both clear. They're clear as water, but it's not water. It's gold, but not the color of gold. And it's on the medium thickness side, I would definitely say. It goes in the beard great. It makes it feel soft, it nourishes it, and it just has a great feel in it. It doesn't feel weighed down, and it just goes in there and sits in there. And this scent right here, I would definitely say it's an 8-hour scent, maybe a little more than 8 hours. You know, I put this in, and I can smell it all day at work, and then even when I get home. So, Bad Dogs Beard Co. This is Matt approved, the company approved, oil approved, products approved. And if you haven't seen and you don't follow him on Instagram, I'm pretty sure he's coming out with a co-wash with this scent. Jeff, I need that co-wash, brother. When is it coming out? I need it. You know, I love me a good co-wash, and I love me a good peppermint scent. So I cannot wait to try that because all his products are top notch. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of November, December, and all through the beard journey. And welcome if you're new. I appreciate you checking me out with all the other channels out there. Thank you for checking me out. Thank you for continuing to come back, everyone else. Remember, Matt approved. Stay bearded.